Hello everyone, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today we will be doing this module that is scale test quick look. So in this we will be talking about that what is scale test, why do we do it, and how we can do it. So first of all, why scale test? Why do we prefer to have a scale test, or why do we choose to do it? So scale testing identifies and addresses potential issues before they impact operations. So obviously if you identify any issues, any bug, any defects before they are moving the code or your main functionality to the higher orgs, then it can remove the potential issues from happening, or it can remove it from blocking other functionalities as well. And then it will remove the risk of having costly downtime, like if are supposed we are having an issue and we will post it to higher org, then it will affect the other functionalities as well, and site could be down. So it will affect that costly downtime or data loss as well. And how can we do it? We need to have three things prepared to do the scale testing. That is plan creation, that what needs to be tested, how do we want to test it. Then test scheduler, that when do we want to test it. We can have a time limit frame from 1 day to 2 weeks, so for that we can book it in advance as well. And text execution, when the results came in we can compare the performances from recent tests. And we can do this scale testing by going into the setup, then quick find box and search for scale test. You will find the test scheduler, then you can create your booking. And if it is a upcoming booking, it should be in confirmed status. If it is already completed, then its status should be completed. And if the booking or if the scale testing is going on, then its status should be live. It will show you the number of days it's left, if it is for more than 1 days, or like for weeks. And we can delete the bookings as well. If you don't want your scale testing to be happening in future, which you have already booked, we can delete that as well. So let's come to the quiz. First is, which of these is a key function that scale test allows you to do? So first is maintain a list of sales contacts. No. Organize an office layout. No. Make HR influenced staff decisions. No. Book and reserve scale test days. So D option is the correct one. Just now I have told you that using test scheduler in setup, we can book the slot and reserve the days when do we want to do our scale testing. Second question is, why is it important to test at scale? First option is, it's not actually all that important. It is very important if we want to remove the potential issues from happening. Second is, scale testing identifies and addresses potential issues before they impact operations, reducing the risk of costly downtime or data loss. So that's the correct one. Let's go over other two options as well just to cross check. Third is, it looks great on your annual performance review. No. D, it's important but an implementation behaves the same during both small and large scale usage. So no. So B is the correct option. Let's check our quiz. So yes, we have completed this module, that is scale test quick look. I hope you have understand that what is scale test, and why do we do it, and how can we proceed with it. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel, and comment in the video. If you comment in the comment section whatever next video you want me to make up on, like any other module, project, super badges, or if you are looking for any other information from me, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.